Hello everyone, today we are staying at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. It is located in Walt Disney World and we are right off of the lobby. So let's go take a look. We're back here in this kind of private corner area. And this is 2164. Alright, so stepping in. Ooh, that's bright. Good. We have fridge. Yes, fridge. Keurig, cups, all that jazz. Notice they've got the solid style floor, not carpet, which is really nice. Lots of nice shelving. Oh, I like that. So it's the ironing board that comes out. Safe. More storage. Okay, and then, oh, a full-length mirror. Well, that's good. All right, so back towards the door. And then let's go to the bathroom. We've got ample storage down there. Nice tile. Lighting. Disney toiletries. The mirror. Okay. Basic standard tub. Sliding doors instead of a shower curtain. And I'm happy to see that Yacht Club has not switched over to the dispenser toiletries. The new rooms at the Animal Kingdom Lodge are. So there's that. But coming into the room, very big and spacious room. We have 2 queen beds. Ample seating, really. I mean, 3 extra chairs inside the room. Lots of lights. The storage under the bed, which is great. Fun nightstand with the USBs. Reading light. Awesome. A giant TV, because, you know, we need that at Disney. Nice chair. And I love this curtain with the constellations on it. Constellations. It sounded like I said consolation there. But that's super cute. And then we somehow scored this giant balcony, which I'll get right to. But I just want to show. So this is the desk area. And it also has the table that pulls out for in-room dining. Another mirror. Several more USB ports and plugs. And then check out this balcony. Like, hey, I can walk around out here. But it's got a nice awning. We have a woods view, which is really nice. But it's really nice and private. I'm really liking this room. All the windows. It's really nice. So yeah, have you stayed at Disney's Yacht Club? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if there's any other Disney resorts you'd like for me to do. I believe at this point we've done most of the deluxe. But yeah, I'm open to suggestions. And, ooh, look at that. So it's like a textured wallpaper. That's really nice, really pretty. Okay, anyway, sorry. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a magical day.